Hello, my friends. Let's working for our project 2 part B. Part B talk about 1 year after the low flow shower head is purchased, the cost of water increased by 5%. Now create a new model to determine the cost savings in dollars with increase in the cost of water. Now let's go back, do a quick review about our equation or model we created for part A. Okay, for part A, we have price per gallon, how many gallons, 1 minute the family is going to save, average 20 minutes use the shower head, and in how many days. Totally money is going to save and minus the cost of this shower head. We need to find out 1 year later how much money the family saved already. Now, 1 year, which is 365 days. So you need substitute this one back to X to find out how much money the family saved already for the 1 year. Now let's see. 0.002 multiply 5 minus 2 multiply by 20 and multiply by 365 minus 54. By using your calculator, you can find this is $43.8 and minus 54, you are going to have a negative $10.2, which means the family actually hasn't started to save any money. The family is still losing money or own money by the purchasing of the new shower head. So keep this in mind. They still need to pay $10.20 for the shower head. Now, exactly the same procedure we're going to use here. However, we cannot use 0.002. Instead of that, we need to find out the new cost of water now, because the water price, which increased 5%. Now let's see. For the original price we have, which is 0.002. It increased. Okay, I'm going to plus because it's increased 5%, which is the original price, multiplied by 5%, converted back to decimal. And by using your calculator, you can find that is 0.0021. It seems like a very tiny number, but think about that. You're using the water every day, which is a lot actually. Now I'm going to use the new price of the water and to create the new model for the family, amount of the family, the money they're going to save with the price multiply still 3 gallons per minute and still average 20 minutes and still how many days and minus not 24 because they saved 1 year already and we found out there are only $10.20 left over. Therefore, I'm going to minus $10.20. So the question also asks you find out after how many days the family will start saving money, which means the money they saved must cover the cost of the head shower. And let's see if they just saved $10.20 and they paid all for the shower head, And then the next day, the family will start really save some money. So we're going to set up the amount is 0 because we just want to know at which day they will finally paid. The money they saved will finally paid the cost of the shower head. And then isolate x by using inverse operation. So by using your calculator, I believe you should have a 0.126x here minus 10.2 where you add it, because remember the inverse operation. So 10.2 equal isolate x where you divide by it, and you should be able to find out x. I'm not sure if this number is correct because I did it by my hand. And if you have your calculator, use it and see if this is the correct number. Okay, now you should be able to find out after how many days then the family will start to save money. Let me make a quick summary. Part B is talking about after 1 year, the price of water changed. So you need to find out the first year how much money the family have saved for using the new shower head. However, you have to keep in mind they spent $54 for the shower head, and the money they saved could not cover the money they spent, and they still own $10.20 for buying it. Now with the new price, that's the new price of water, and you need to create a new model which are exactly as the same as part A, what we used right there. Now you just need set up the total amount equals 0 because we pretend they said the money they saved is exactly $10.20 to cover the purchase of the shower head. Isolate x, you should find out after how many days the family will start to save money. And that's all for part B.